What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. When I was at Target, I know I've been spending a lot of time there lately because they got mini brands, and these are retro. I picked up mini brands retro or retro mini brands at Target for $7.99. Let's change the backdrop to our record store. I think it has a nice little retro vibe. Let's make a place for some seating. I'm gonna move this to the side. Add a rug and a couch or chair on the corner. Let's add a guitar. I found this on Amazon to warm it up a little. And we can add the record player that we made a long time ago right here on the side. Now let's check out those minis. On the side, it says Unbox Epic Frozen Moment Minis. And the rest of it is pretty simple with the word retro. Let's pull the tab on the side, remove the wrapper, pull the tab again, remove the wrapper again. This capsule is made with certified recycled plastic. Inside, we have a few paper bags and a collector's guide, letting us know that there are 60 plus minis, divided into categories like legendary. Oh, I want the cereal! Iconic. It looks like a few might glow in the dark. And are those books or magazines? Then there is luxury. I hope the scale is consistent. Ultra rare, rare, and common. I like the Revlon and the 3M products. Ooh, those two, those, and the car stuff. We have 5 bags. Let's go ahead and open our first one. And we have a can of Hershey's chocolate syrup. It's a pretty large mini can. Here it is with a doll. And the next one is Campbell's tomato soup. To me, this can seems a little large with our Barbies, but you could probably still get away with it. It's the same size as other cans we've already seen in mini brands, but smaller than the can of chocolate syrup. Come on, I want to see the cassettes. We got Spam with that classic retro vibe. And this is a can of Diet Coke. It is slightly smaller than some of the other mini brand cans, and it doesn't have that little curve at the top. And this is a mini brand's can. I just kind of changed the label in this video. In the last bag for this capsule, we have something thin. Yes! It's a floppy disk. It comes in a little sleeve. You can remove it. There are printed details on the back. There's even a little sticker in the corner. And here it is next to a doll. All right, so that was our very first mini brands retro capsule. Let's open another one. You know the drill. Pull the tab, remove the wrapper, open the capsule, then open some minis. Yes, we got some oil. STP oil treatment. We need a garage. Here's Brooklyn with the size comparison. I like the idea of making a garage. We do have that motorcycle. We got a box of raisins. It's just a box, but totally something I can add to my dollhouse shelves. In the next bag, we find a can of sugar-free Fresca. Sorry, I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not familiar with this one, but it's about the same size as the Diet Coke. And in this bag, we find Planters Cocktail Peanuts. There's a graphic on the side as well as on the top. So far we got peanuts and raisins, a few more ingredients, and we can make trail mix. In the last bag for this capsule, we have batteries. Oh my goodness! These are adorable. We can see that there are little tiny batteries in there, so if we get a double, we can open them. And with the dolls, they're a little large, but not too bad. And that's our second capsule. Oh, and this is a sparkling flavored soda. Capsule number 3. I really want to see the cassette tapes and stuff like that. This is Hershey's Kisses. It's a box. In this bag, we have beef stew. This one is shorter and wider than the Campbell soup. Next, we have another can of Fresca. And Armor All, we can make it look like the dolls are taking care of their cars. This mini is a plastic bottle with a sticker on the front and back. And the last bag for this capsule is another set of batteries. Now that we have a double, we can open one. Can we just pull the sides apart? Yeah, it looks like we can. We can just pull it open and take out the little batteries. It's a super simple mini, but it can add some fun details to our doll photography. Like of a doll putting batteries in a miniature remote control car. 'Cause it's all in the details. All right, capsule number 4. In the first bag, we have Revlon $1 Million Red nail enamel, so the dolls can do their nails. I really want a cassette tape, like any of the technology stuff. Skippy Creamy Peanut Butter. Here it is with the doll. I'm not even thinking about the Frozen Moment minis. Is that a box of cereal? Yeah! Yes, it's still just a box, but I don't know why. I just like getting the cereals. We have a Kodak camera. The inside is plastic, and then there is a little box. Here's the side, and there are some details on the back. Not too bad. This one's a little larger. This bag's a little larger than the other ones. And, oh, is this a Frozen Moment? I totally didn't think I was going to find one, so I didn't want to get my hopes up, but yeah. We have a little glass. It's made out of plastic, and there's a peg in the center. Then we can add the vegetable juice to make this Frozen Moment mini. This was a pretty good capsule. Opening capsule number 5, and we are getting another box of cereal. It's a double. Well, at least those dollhouse pantries will be fully stocked. And I don't know what that is. Let's see. We're getting film. Okay, I'll take it. And is this another oil? It's another double. But this will make great filler for when we get around to making that doll garage. This kind of feels like maybe a book. Let's see. It is a miniature life magazine, which is a flat rectangle of plastic covered in a sticker. I think it will look pretty neat on a dollhouse table. But we know you can do pages. Not me asking for a paper mini, but it's supposed to be. Also me making miniature books using stacks of poster board. But the front cover does open. And the last one for this capsule is another double. We got another floppy disk, which is useful. You can always have more than one. But 3 of the minis in this capsule were doubles. But the possibility of doubles are a reality when opening mini brands. This is our 6th and final capsule for today. I got a lot of minis that I wanted. Now I'm just hoping that we find more Revlon products and the VHS tape and the cassette. I really want to see that too. Here we have more oil. It's a can that will look great in our one-day garage. Honestly, I have so many projects that I want to get to, but let me know down in the comments what you would like to see next. We got turtle wax. This is also going in the garage. Here it is with the doll. Only 3 bags to go. And this is a vintage Revlon lipstick case. There are little faux rhinestones on the top. Here it is with the doll. Might be something we can place on our miniature vanities. The second to last one is, oh my goodness, another Fresca and a triple. And our very last one feels like a box. Is it? What is it? Oh, it's a box of bananas. That's actually kind of cute. Can we open it? Because it looks like we can open it. We can open it. And you can see the little bananas. And then we can take them out. That is definitely a fun little detail. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at retro mini brands. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.